Hello students. So today we are starting chapter number 37 of GK, acronyms. So acronyms are words that are formed from the initial letters of group of words that make up a name of the organization. So think etc. Write full form of these common acronyms. So ET, full form of ET is extraterrestrial, extraterrestrial, FYI, so for your information, FYI for your information, GMO, genetically modified. What is the full form of GMO? Genetically modified, ISBN, International Standard Book Number. International Standard Book Number. MS monoscript. Monoscript. ASAP, as soon as possible. AM ante-meridian. ATM, automated teller machine, ATM. CST, Central Standard Time. CST, Central Standard Time. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. DNS, Domain Name System. Domain Name System. APO, Army Postal Order. IP, Internet Protocol. RTP, Rest in Peace. Rest in Peace. SOP, Standard Operating Procedure. UPC, Universal Product Code. LAN, Local Area Network. TEAM, Team Together everyone achieves more. Together everyone achieves more. So this is the full form of team. So chapter number 37 is over. I hope students are preparing nicely. Next chapter is who said. Next chapter, who said. The piece of greatness is responsibility. Sir Winston Churchill. Who said this word? Sir Winston Churchill. Do you can with what you have where you are? So, who said this word? Theodore Roosevelt. Kind words can be short and easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless. Who said this word? Mother Teresa. Nobody can make you feel inferior without your permission. So, Eleanor Roosevelt. In the midst of movement and talks, keeps stillness inside of you. Who said this word? Deepak Chopra. Only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far they can go. Who said this word? T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot. Never obey anyone's command unless it is coming from within you also. Truth is within you. Don't search for it elsewhere. Who said this word? Also. Keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. Small people always do that, but really great make you feel that you too can become great. So Mark Twain said these words. Holding on to anger is like a raising a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one getting burned. Who said this word? Buddha. Every day begins with new possibilities. It's up to us to fill it with the things that move us towards progress and peace. Who said Ronald Reagan? Who said this word? Ronald Reagan. If you don't have the time to do something right, when are you going to find the time to fix it? So Stephen King. Who said this word? Stephen King. Out of your lunar abilities will come your strength. So Sigmund Freud said these words. Inspirations exists, but it has to find you working. So, who said this word? Paulo Picasso. Obstacles don't have to stop you. Obstacles don't have to stop you if you run into a wall. Don't turn around and give a finger out how to climb it, go through or work around it. So Michael Jordan, who said this word? Michael Jordan. Remember not only to say the right thing in the right place, but far more difficult still to live unsaid to wrong thing at the tempting moment. Aristotle. So students, chapter number 37 and 38, two chapters you have to prepare, and I will take test also of the previous chapter. Thank you all.